Yeah, it's alright.
No fuel, look. No fuel. No fuel.
I know.
Put some fuel.
I put some fuel. So I've just adjusted all the tappets up. I ran it early for the first time, just to warm it up and get everything all nice and hot. Just all the tolerances are a bit tighter. I've done all the valves, all the tappets. Yeah, it's working all right. So the inlet tappets are 10th thou between the rocker and the top of the valve, and the exhaust is 17th thou. So I've done them with the feeler gauges, and that's as you could see, you probably see in the video, the oil coming through all the top of the tappets there. I checked this before just to see if everything is all lubricated. She's running a little bit rough at the moment. I have to strip the carb down again. Like as you saw, she was running when I put my hand over the carb, so she's starvation of fuel somewhere. I don't like these carburetors anyway, the old Ford ones, but it is what it is. I'll check the jets again. Just strip the whole thing.
Crocodiles in petrol tank.
Yeah, crocodiles. Yeah, big crocodiles. So yeah, as she starts when you pull this, because you got the primer pump there. Yeah, there's something obviously wrong with this. It won't be too much, probably a blocked jet or something. And I've got this make-do fuel tank here, because we did the fuel tank, we cleaned the inside out, but obviously there was still some, what you call it, varnish in the tank. So when we put the fresh fuel in, she dissolved all the varnish, and as you can see, that's the colour of the petrol that came out of the tank. So this is just the old varnish, or the old petrol that's been in there for so many years. It's just melted again. So I'm going to have to flush the tank out again. Yeah, I'll clean the fuel pump and the filter again, and do the carburetor. Should be running grand then. All the radiator hoses are starting to warm up as well. Thermostat hasn't opened yet because she's just not hot enough yet. But yeah, she's coming on nicely. I need to get a strobe. I need to buy a strobe now. My last strobe broke. So I'll get a new strobe, and we'll strobe it up and get the timing right, like spot on. I just did the point earlier again. It's just finding all the little bits now, all the little finicky bits to get it running properly. Yeah, that's it. No, I'm not vegetarian. I'm a carnivore.
Is this 3-stroke engine?
Yeah. 6-stroke. 6 of them. 6 leads, yeah. Yeah, that's about it for now. Yeah, she's been making progress on it. It's just bits and pieces we can do on it. Just we're just so busy at the moment, so yeah. You just keep watching, and yeah, she'll be progressing nicely. Yeah, lovely. It's nice to see it running anyway.
Don't believe me.
Practical.
No.